In this section of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to uninstall application. In our previous video, we have installed applications. If I click on Start and Settings, there is an option for me to uninstall the application. I need to go to the Apps. So this is the area which I need to select. Under Settings, go to Apps, and we have to select this option, Installed Apps. If I select the installed apps, I can see the applications what I have installed. We have installed Acrobat Reader, WinZip and Visual Studio Code in our previous video. So if I try to uninstall the Acrobat Reader, I need to select this three dotted area. If I click on three dotted area, I get Modify and Uninstall. If I select Modify, I'll be able to choose either to repair the application, or if there is any additional feature for the application, I'll be able to add those features. Some of the applications comes with multiple features. While installing, if we have not included some of the feature, I'll be able to add those feature while clicking on Modify. So if I click on Modify, if I click Next, then I'll get these options: Modify, Repair and Remove. If I want to uninstall any application, I will remove from this computer. If I want to repair, in case if the application is not working properly and some of the files are missing, I'll be able to repair the application. And if we have not added the features related to the application, we will be able to modify. If I click on Next, and these are the features which were not added. If I want to add, then I can select any of these options to include these features. So now the features are enabled. If I click on Install, then those features will be installed. So these are the features which we left out during the installation. So I'll say this feature is not required and I'll go back. If I want to uninstall, then I'll uninstall this application. I'll click on Remove, then I'll click on Next to completely uninstall the application. So this is one way of uninstalling the application. And if I click on Start, do you want to allow this app to make changes? If I want to uninstall, I'll click on Yes. Then it is going to uninstall the application. So this is one way. And if I go to Start again, and if I search for Control Panel, there is a Control Panel. And if I open the Control Panel, there is a program. I can see there is a program here. And if I click on Program and Programs and Features, whatever applications which are installed, everything will be shown here. If I select here, and if I want to uninstall, I can come here and uninstall the application as well. If I want to change is basically to modify. If I click on Change, because there is another uninstallation process which is going on, it is not going to happen. If I want to uninstall WinZip, I can uninstall the WinZip. If I want to uninstall Microsoft Edge, so these are the default programs which were included during the installation of Windows 11. So anyway, we are not going to uninstall any of the default programs. So only those programs which we have installed, those programs we can uninstall. And the Acrobat Reader has been successfully uninstalled. So why do we uninstall the program? We might want to free up some of the space on the disk, and some of the installation files what we have downloaded from the internet, it might have malware or virus. The antivirus system which we have installed on our operating system, it might have detected the virus on the application itself. Once it has detected, it will prompt us to uninstall the application. So basically we have reasons to uninstall these applications what we have downloaded from the internet. So this way we will be able to uninstall the application. I will see you in the next topic for the Windows 11 course.